So, here you go, Dor.
Don't be ridiculous. I'm not staying in this cell. For £500 a week, I accept an ensuite bathroom, not to mention Wi-Fi, constant hot water, and a personalised laundry service. Sharon.
But there's only 2 en-suites. Mum's and mine.
Thank you, Travis. That's so generous of you.
No, but
Looks like you have to sleep in the guest room tonight, though.
that is so unfair.
And where am I supposed to kick?
In here?
I can't sleep standing up. I ain't a horse.
Look, if you don't like it, you know what you can do.
You slinging me out? Again? Oh, that's so unfair.
Oh, grow up, Sharon.
Well, I think I'll go to my ensuite and freshen up. Baggage, Sharon.
What did she call me? Oh, right.
What'll I do?